Open Data Deep Search, ODDS. In this video, we will show you how to use our search. For this instance, we took Camden Council, the Open Data Catalog, poured it into ODDS, and now we are going to ask it a few questions. Let's say I live in Camden in a specific postcode, and I want to know how many planning applications are for this postcode. So let's ask it, how many planning applications for the postcode NW1 for DF, and click. What ODDS will do is that it will try to find the dataset that is relevant for planning application, and then from within this dataset, it will calculate for us how many rows have the postcode of NW1 for DF. So it might take a bit of time of thinking because it has to go through the whole catalog and then try to calculate it with an SQL query. Here we go. There have been 29 planning application for the postcodes NW1 for DF in the London Borough of Camden since January 1, 2010. It will tell us as well where it also got this data from. So if we go to the data set, here we are. This is the Camden Council data portal. It gives us link directly to the portal. And then if we want to look inside the portal, we can also look here for NW1 for DF. And we will see here that it gives us 25 results. But I calculated it with us, there's actually 29 results. So this is pretty cool. Now back into ODDS. Let's say I want to know how to submit a planning application. So this is a search that I've done before. And to submit a planning application in the Borough of Camden, London, you can follow these general steps. And these steps are taken from the London Borough of Camden website. So you can see it here. Pre-application advice, prepare your application, submit your application, pay the fee. And this is all coming from the official website, and it tells you how to contact or who to contact. Let's say we want to know what is the number of the planning department. So what it will do now is that it would look at the dataset, and then if it can't find it, it would look on the website and try to give us an answer of what is the phone number for the planning department. In this case, it couldn't find a specific number for the planning department. So it's give you the most close answer to it, which is the Contact Camden page. Click it. It will tell you exactly how to contact everything. In this case, we want to have this. But let's say you want to submit a whole new question. For example, you are allergic to trees and you want to know what is the most common tree in Camden. The most common tree in Camden is the London plane, which is highly allergic, with a total of 3,316 trees recorded in that dataset of council-owned trees. You can see it here. Trees in Camden, and the data, and you have the scientific name, the common name, and it basically calculates on based of this how many plane trees we have. This is the end of our demonstration. If you want to speak to us about how ODDS can help your data portal, please stay in touch.